Want to help support the channel out? Every like, share, subscribe, and comment really helps. Don't forget to show your support and be part of the journey. Now, let's get on with the video.